buying a used car in 2025 should feel like scoring a great deal, not like adopting a wounded animal you found on Craigslist. Today, I'm breaking down the best used cars that'll treat you right, and the ones that'll ghost you faster than your last Tinder match. Save your money, your sanity, and maybe even your dignity, because nobody looks cool waiting 3 hours for a tow truck. Let's dive into the winners and the mechanical heartbreakers. Starting from number 5, because we like a little suspense around here. Top 5 best used cars to buy. Number 5, Subaru Outback. If you've ever thought, hey, I want a car that can haul my dogs, my camping gear, and my existential dread through a blizzard, the Subaru Outback is your spirit animal. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of cars, rugged, reliable, and ready for whatever chaos life throws your way. Need to drive through a snowstorm? No problem. Need to move half your apartment in one trip? Easy. Need to disappear into the mountains for a few days because adulting is hard? Subaru's got you. For 2025, you can snag a solid 2020 to 2022 used Outback for around $24,000 to $30,000, depending on mileage and trim. Not bad for a car that's as committed to survival as you are. Plus, you get legendary all-wheel drive, because slipping and sliding is for bad TikTok dances, not your daily commute. Love smart car choices? Hit that subscribe button and stick around. It only gets better. Number 4, Mazda 3. If James Bond had a budget under $25,000, he'd drive a Mazda 3. This little beauty is stylish, fun to drive, and more reliable than your Wi-Fi during a Zoom call. Whether you go for the sedan or the hatchback, the Mazda 3 handles like it's on rails, zipping through traffic while you pretend you're in a high-speed chase to Starbucks. Plus, the interior looks way fancier than the price tag suggests. Seriously, it's like they tricked a luxury designer into working weekends. In 2025, you can pick up a sweet 2020 to 2022 Mazda 3 for around $18,000 to $24,000, depending on features and how many fast food bags the previous owner left behind. If you want a car that brings you joy without bringing you unexpected mechanic bills, the Mazda 3 might just be your perfect match. Number 3, Honda CR-V. You know that friend who shows up early, brings snacks, and never complains? That's the Honda CR-V in car form. Spacious, practical, and about as exciting as a sensible sweater. But oh boy, does it never let you down. It's got enough cargo room to fit your groceries, your kids, and your emotional baggage, with Honda's legendary reliability backing it up. Gas mileage is great, maintenance costs are low, and it ages so well it should honestly drop a skincare routine. In 2025, a clean 2020 to 2022 Honda CR-V will set you back about $25,000 to $32,000. A small price to pay for peace of mind and a life free from awkward Uber rides when your old car dies mid-errand. Number 2, Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is the human equivalent of that one coworker who's been at the company for 20 years, never calls in sick, and somehow knows where everything is. It's not flashy. It's not trying to be cool. It's just out there quietly winning life. Corollas are famously indestructible. You can rack up 200,000 miles and it'll still start like it's on its third coffee of the day. Plus, it's super fuel efficient and cheap to fix. 2 things your future broke self will thank you for. In 2025, you can score a used 2020 to 2022 Corolla for about $17,000 to $23,000 depending on condition and how many emotional road trips it's survived. Practical? Yes. Boring? Maybe. Smartest financial decision you'll make this year? Absolutely. And finally, number 1, Toyota RAV4. If reliability and practicality had a baby, and that baby could climb mountains, it would be the Toyota RAV4. This SUV is the best-selling one for a reason. It's roomy, rugged, and refuses to break even when you treat it like a pack mule. Great fuel economy, comfy seats, and tech that actually works, not just buttons that beep confusingly. You can haul kids, dogs, camping gear, and your Amazon impulse buys without ever worrying about a roadside meltdown. In 2025, you can find a well-kept 2020 to 2022 Toyota RAV4 for about $26,000 to $34,000. Think of it as an investment into never having to argue with a tow truck driver about how far they can come out today. Now, time for the juicy part. Top 5 cars you should absolutely avoid in 2025. Number 5. BMW 5 Series, 2013 to 2016 models. On paper, owning a used BMW 5 Series sounds like you've made it. Luxury, style, prestige. In reality, it's like adopting a high-maintenance diva who expects daily spa treatments. And you're footing the bill. Sure, you'll look like a boss for about 3 weeks, until the check engine light comes on, and stays on like it's paying rent. These models are notorious for electrical gremlins, oil leaks, and repairs so pricey you'll start Googling, how much can you get for a kidney? In 2025, you can find them listed between $15,000 and $22,000, which feels like a steal, until you realize it's just the entry fee into a lifetime of surprise mechanic visits. If you crave financial instability with a side of nice leather seats, the 5 Series might just be your perfect nightmare. Number 4. Jeep Cherokee, 2014 to 2015. At first glance, the 2014 to 2015 Jeep Cherokee screams adventure. Mountains. Mud. Freedom. But pop the hood, and it starts screaming something else. Please help me. These models are infamous for transmission problems that can turn your road trip into a roadside picnic. Add in random electrical issues and you've got a car that's more high maintenance than a reality TV star. You'll spot used Cherokees priced around $13,000 to $18,000 in 2025, and they'll look tempting, like a bad idea on a Friday night. Trust me, if you buy one, you're basically signing up for a long-term relationship with your mechanic. Save yourself the heartache and choose a real adventure, like learning how to bake sourdough instead. Number 3. Ford Fiesta, 2011 to 2016. The Ford Fiesta sounds like a good time, right? Party in a hatchback. Reality check. It's more like a toddler's birthday party where the cake's on the floor and someone's crying. The Fiesta's infamous dual-clutch transmission is jerky, unreliable, and basically designed to test your patience and your wallet. Sure, it's cheap, hovering around $7,000 to $12,000 in 2025, but every Fiesta is just one weird noise away from becoming a stationary lawn ornament. If you enjoy unexpected expenses, awkward breakdowns, and yelling, "Come on!" at your dashboard in traffic, go ahead. Otherwise, save the Fiesta for actual parties, preferably ones that don't end with a tow truck. Number 2. Nissan Altima, 2013 to 2016. On the surface, the 2013 to 2016 Nissan Altima looks like a great deal. Sleek styling, comfy seats, decent price. But dig a little deeper and you'll find it's hiding a whole circus of problems. The CVT transmission is the star act, slipping, shuddering, and eventually waving the white flag around 100,000 miles. Suspension issues are the sideshow, making your smooth commute feel like you're bouncing through a pothole theme park. You'll see these for sale around $9,000 to $15,000 in 2025, but don't let the low price seduce you. Buying one is like adopting a cat that already hates you. It's temperamental, costly, and will scratch your wallet to shreds. Do yourself a favor, walk away. Fast. Unless you like the idea of starring in your own episode of Highway Dramas Altima Edition. Number 1. Fiat 500. The Fiat 500 is the ultimate example of looks can be deceiving. Sure, it's tiny, quirky, and just adorable, like something you'd see in a movie montage set in Rome. But behind those cute curves lurks a mechanical nightmare. These cars are plagued by transmission failures, electrical glitches, and an overall build quality that screams, "Good luck, buddy." In 2025, you'll find them for $6,000 to $10,000, which sounds like a bargain, until you realize it's a buy one get 10 trips to the mechanic deal. Comfort? Questionable. Space? Laughable. Reliability? Practically fictional. Unless you're under 5 feet 7 inches, have 0 friends to transport, and possess the patience of a saint, the Fiat 500 is more trouble than it's worth. If you want Italian flair, just buy a Vespa. At least it'll break down stylishly. And there you have it. The used cars that'll treat you right, and the ones that'll treat your wallet like a chew toy. Remember, buying a used car in 2025 doesn't have to feel like gambling your life savings on a roulette wheel. Pick smart, drive happy, and keep your sanity intact. If you got a laugh, learned something new, or just enjoyed watching me roast a Fiat 500 into oblivion, smash that like button, subscribe for more brutally honest car advice, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next breakdown of cars and dreams. Catch you next time. And until then, happy car hunting, and may your check engine light stay off forever.